Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ankara bikini bottom. Remember one of our previous video we did this Ankara beach bra, so I got requests to make the bottom parts for this beach bra, and that is what we are going to be making in this tutorial. So I'm still going to be using this same kind of Ankara fabric, scissors and tape. So guys, this Ankara fabric is on fold and the length is 9 inches and the width is 5 inches. So you come to this bottom part and measure 1.5 inches and mark it. Then this upper part here, measure 1 inch and mark it. So we are going to connect this to this point, just this way. So after then, you pick your scissors and cut it off. So guys, this is what we have. This will be the front part of our pants. So you bring in another of your Ankara fabric and you place this front part on it. So you arrange your front part on another Ankara fabric, and I'm going to make pattern for the back as well. So just draw your back this way from this 1 inch. And connect it back to this point. So I'm going to cut this off. So guys, this is the front pattern and this is for the back. I'm still going to cut this. I need 2 pieces of it and I need 2 pieces of this as well. So I have 2 of this now. This is the front part and I have 2 for the back part. So you pick each of it. This is the back and the front. This way you stitch 1/2 inch straight down, and this other part too, stitch 1/2 inch straight down. I'll go to my sewing machine. So guys, I've stitched the bottom part by 1/2 inch. So now you turn it. This is the right side of the pant. This is also the right side of the pant. So front part facing front part. This is the right part. This is the right part. Place it together this way. We are going to stitch. We are going to stitch all the way. Stitch, stitch. When you get to this point, don't stitch 2 inches. You can turn it around from this part. We'll turn it inside out from here. Don't stitch here 2 inches. So you can stitch the rest of the pants, but don't stitch it. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I've stitched around the pants and I left this 2 inches open, so I'll turn it inside out from this point. So guys, after turning it inside out, this is what it looks like. We are going to sew this opening, like top stitch around the pants. So guys, I've stitched around the pants. You can see how neat and flat it is now. So we are going to make strip for the both sides, and this is the Ankara fabric I'm going to use. 1.5 inches the width, and the length is 11 inches. So I have 4 of this for the strip. What you do is fold half an inch this way, half an inch this way, and fold it on yourself. Then you run a straight stitch down. So I will do the same for the remaining strip. So guys, this is the strip. I've stitched them. So you pick one, pin it. You're going to sew this part this way. You're going to sew this one here, then this other one here, and this one to this side. So I'll go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I've stitched the 4 strip to the pants. So you wear it this way. Just tie this part this way and tie this other part. If you want your pants to be bigger than this one I just made, what you will do is to increase the length of your material, increase the length and increase the width. This one I used 9 inches length and the width was 5 inches. If you want a bigger one, increase the length, increase the width, you have a bigger one than this one that I have here. So guys, this is the finish up of our Ankara bikini bottom. So this is the bra we made before. If you had not seen this video, if you have not watched this tutorial, I will put the link in the comment section below. I'll put the link in the description box rather, yes, so that you can go and see how we made this bra before I now made this bottom now. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and share this video with your friend. See you in my next tutorial.